Sometimes people ask, what's an OM? Well, it's an acronym, Offering Memorandum. In the investment world, it may come in the form of a PPM, a private placement memorandum, or you can also call it a prospectus, a disclosure document. Are all OMs only related to investments? Kind of, but not really. Oftentimes, owners of properties or their brokers may provide a offering memorandum that gives a lot of additional kind of background and information beyond just a simple brochure or ad for sale. Those are also called offering memorandums, OM, but really it's not a security like a PPM is, because whoever is marketing that is generally trying to sell the entire property. Now, whoever buys it, if they put together a company, raise money from the investors and acquire it, that is a pooled security, a syndication to acquire the property. You do have to pay attention to the securities regulations in that case. However, the seller of the property that is just trying to get rid of the whole thing, that is not a securities transaction, even though it may use some of the same vernacular OM, offering memorandum. So you really have to pay attention to what is the substance of what is being described and included.